Hi, Mr. Smith. I'm sending you some pictures, but I also wanted you to actually see this side by side. So this is an original dial, 100% original loom. I've had this dial for a long time. Finding loose Arnie dials is not something that happens very often, especially not with original condition that's like this. It has a few, you can see it's got some loom specks. The loom is generally white. You can see the contrast. It's got a few little pieces on there, but the dial surface is actually quite good. The paint is excellent. So it would look like that. So like the paint surface of the dial is completely intact. The loom is strong. It shows a little bit of patina, but it would actually match your watch in terms of overall condition. It would be like the battery leak didn't happen. That's what it would look like, in my opinion. But you decide what you would like to do. Okay, thank you so much.